Lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Cursor AI coding agent on Windows. So if I go into this Google search box to download the software, you need to go on this Google search box, write there Cursor, then go on this cursor.com site. Click this, then you need to click on this download button. There, you need to scroll down. This you can get here for Mac, Windows, Linux. So Windows, you can get this one. So let's click this Windows 64 system or user you can select. Let's use their system. And now you can see this here cursor. This is the version exe file currently downloading. Total size 189 MB. Now you can see this here cursor setup exe file that's downloaded. Simply you need to click on this exe file. Any spell, any sphere ink that's come from. Click on yes button. Select here, accept, next, next, desktop icon, next, install. So this here, preparing to install this cursor inside the Windows machine. Currently, this is extracting the files. Here, that's completed. If you want, then you can launch now. Let's click on finish. Thereafter, simply you need to click on this cursor icon, login. So let's click on this login. Already have the account. Clicking on this login, Microsoft just once. So this is currently loading there. Continue. You can do the login with Google, Apple, GitHub. Let's click on this Google. There, you need to give their correct email address. You can see all set free to return the cursor. So if I go back here, you can see. Let's make that bigger. And this here, you can ask any query there. Let's test with the hi. So this is now currently processing and this here. After that, you can ask any query there how to learn coding. So this is returning so quickly. Next question is how to here take the program in Python. It's all returning there. And thereafter, the next is here you can go on this browser terminal. Thereafter, here we need to go on this ID. ID, okay. So uh, let's minimize this one. And if I double click this, so start building, let's do the escape. You can see this here. When I double click, there you can get the ID. So here you can see this place. This is the cursor agent. And this here you can see ID. So for this one, let's here you need to click on this new project on this desktop there or project is there. This selecting and now this agent this place that's come there and this here. So now you can create any files. Let's write there print, then double quote, hello world. Hello world, control S to save. So let's write the hello.py. Now, or this you can do the run. So Python extension that's not fine. Let's do the install this Python extension. This come from Microsoft.com site. So this is currently extract. After that, you can easily run this code. So this here, there's two cursor. One is ID, one is ascent. So this is how we can do the installation of cursor on the Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.